All right, guys, we are hanging out in my bathroom because we are going to get ready together right now. I'm actually getting ready to go on a date night, and I'm going to do my makeup with all Gressa products, which I'm so excited because Gressa Beauty is the brand that I just brought on to Skin Truth, and their makeup is like nothing else. If you love your skin, you take care of your skin, then you're gonna love these makeup products because they are so healthy for your skin. Not only are they healthy products, like healthy makeup products, but they're actually like skincare. And all of the products have this beautiful, just like botanical, ingredients. Everything in there is really good for your skin. So you don't have to feel guilty about wearing makeup, which I love. So we're going to dive in, get ready together today. I have nothing on my skin right now except for the Clear Stem You Are Sunshine SPF, which I love to wear this one if I'm going to wear a foundation because this is very light and more sheer on the skin. If I'm going to wear a foundation, I don't use something like the Color Science Flex. It's just too much and just too like heavy on my skin. This is perfection on days that I want to wear a foundation. It's perfection on days that I don't wear foundation. But let's do a little date night makeup look together, introducing all of the Gressa beautiful makeup products. Let's go. Okay, so here is the foundation. It's the Gressa Minimalist Coverage Serum Foundation. I'm gonna shake it up. It is a serum foundation. It comes out in a dropper like so. And I'm just gonna take a couple drops of this on my finger and then just kind of start applying it where I need. Now, I am in the shade right now because I actually just self-tanned the other night. I'm using the shade 3.25, which matches me when I am self-tanned. Well, I'm gonna take the Gressa foundation brush first, and I'm just going to stipple this onto my skin with the brush first, and then I'm gonna go in with my dry beauty sponge and just kind of further blend it out. You are gonna see how beautiful this foundation is, you guys. And when I say it is beautiful, it is gorgeous. It looks like skin. It does not cake up or crease up in the slightest. And again, it's good for all skin types. It just kind of becomes one with your skin. It's not like one of those like serum foundations that kind of like slips around or moves around. Like it just becomes one with your skin. So I kind of just get like a good base going with the brush, and then I'm gonna take my dry beauty sponge and just further blend it in. And again, that was just a few tiny little drops. You do not need a lot of product. A little bit goes a long way. Can you see that on my skin? I know the lighting is not perfect in my bathroom here, but we just make do here. We are just keeping it all real without fancy lighting and all of that stuff. You know how it is. This is my bathroom. But I hope you guys can see how gorgeous this is. Like in person, my skin is like flawless. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. And again, if I wanted to add a little bit more coverage, I could go in with a couple more drops and add them where I want. But that's really all I need. I personally like a more like light to medium coverage. You can add a little bit more and work your way up to even more coverage. And that's what I love about all their products too. They're all super like customizable to like your needs and what you want. Okay, I just did a little powder over my brows. So I'm going to take the eye tints next. And they are in the most beautiful colors. What you can do with them is you can use them pretty much all over. So you can use them as eyebrow color. You can use them on your eyes. The lip tints you can use as blush as well. So all their cream products you can use in like multiple ways, which is really fun. I'm gonna take the shade in the eye tint called Aura, and it looks like this. How beautiful. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pop this right onto my lids. And I just take a brush, and they work really well and just kind of blend right into your skin very easily. Can you see that? The eye tints come in like mattes, sheens, and in a bunch of colors too. Like this is more of a sheen shade, and it's gorgeous. And then I'm taking the eye tint in the shade Butter Rum, which is a perfect, just more matte, like gorgeous brown shade. I'm taking a different brush, same kind of style brush, and I'm just going to pop this right on the outer part of my eye. And I'm just going to kind of take my finger. I love using my finger with these. They just blend so well. Look at that. so easy, so beautiful, you guys. I'm obsessed. Okay, so that is the eye look. I'm going to take my concealer next. This is in the shade, I think it's Madeline, yeah. And it's just a click concealer. I'll take a few little drops just where I always apply my concealer. I am obsessed with this formulation. It is so beautiful. It has like a nice light luminous look to it, and it gives a good medium coverage. I do take this over the Color Science Total Eye SPF a lot, usually most days, honestly, but I wanted to show you exactly what it looks like without the Color Science 2, just so you could get a good feel of the coverage. It's absolutely beautiful, and again, it blends into your skin, and it does not cake, does not crease, just looks so flawless. Look at that. Look at that. That is nothing on my under eyes, like no primer, no Color Science Total Eye, just the concealer. And it's simply flawless. This is my new favorite concealer. And again, all good ingredients for your under eye. And then I'm gonna set my under eye with the Fit Glow Beauty Powder, which I always do. This just is the most perfect powder to set the under eye. It is so light, again, healthy for your skin, and just sets and keeps everything looking flawless all day. It blurs the under eye. This with that concealer is a winning combination. Oh, so good. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to bronzer, which I'm going to take my hair off my forehead for this so you can see this bronzer in action, because it is so good. This is the, I will pick up every bottle before I get to the bronzer one. This is the Gressa Minimalist Contouring Serum Bronzer. Again, it's a serum. It comes out like so, and this is beautiful. I love it so much. Again, it stays put. It does not budge, and it just leaves the perfect just warmth and just bronzy look to your skin. So again, I'm going to take a little bit goes a long way. A little bit of drops, you guys. You can always add more. That's it. And I'm just going to work this into my skin. You can see it just leaves the perfect bronzy tan. I'm actually going to switch brushes because I love the Gressa brush with this. Actually works super good. So I'm going to take this brush and just blend this in on my cheeks. This brush works really well, and it's super soft, and it's made to work obviously with the products, and it's just, I find it actually does make blending just a dream. Look at that, you guys. Oh, this has got to be the most beautiful bronzer, you guys. Look at that. Looks like I just was on vacation, like on a magical island. Look at that. Look at my skin. Oh my gosh. And again, that was like the tiniest drop. So that bottle is going to last you forever. That was one little drop, and it just covered and just makes my skin look perfect. So now I'm going to take the Gressa Lip Boost in Alice, and I'm going to use this for my cheek color, which, like I said, you can take all of the Lip Boost shades. You can use them on your lips, you can use them on your cheeks, you can technically use them on your eyes, anywhere. But I love them as blushes. Their cream shades are so gorgeous, and there's so many good colors. Like, I'm in like blush heaven right now with taking all of these gorgeous lip colors and using them as my blush. Alice is like a nudie, cool tone pink. Just is so pretty. Look at that. And it blends again so seamlessly into your skin with amazing ingredients, all good for your skin. And you're actually doing good for your skin by using the makeup, because there's great ingredients for your skin. Okay, so we're gonna finish off with lips. I'm taking the Anastasia lip liner, which this has been my new favorite lip liner. It's in the shade Dusty Rose. And I'm going to apply this to my lips now. And taking the Gressa lip brush, this brush works perfectly with the Gressa Lip Boost. Again, you can use these all on your cheeks too, and this is a gorgeous color on your cheeks as well. But it's the shade Bare, and it is just my go-to for my lips. I love it. So I'm gonna take this right now. I'm gonna pop this onto my lips. It's going to hydrate, it's going to plump, it's going to keep the moisture in your lips. And I'm finishing off on top of that lip boost, the Anfisa and Gloss, which I am just obsessed with. I love this during the day. I love it at night. It is like magic on your lips. And it just adds that extra glossy, amazing hydration to your lips. And there's Dandy, she just woke up. Do you like it? You like mommy's makeup? Yeah? Do you like it? Do you like it? All right, you guys, and that is it. That is the final look using all of the Gressa products. Oh, you know what? We did not use them all. We are going to finish with a little illuminating serum. Let's just dab this on really super quick here so you can see what this beautiful illuminator looks like. Where is she? There she is. Let's take a little dab of this. Again, it comes out as a serum. Watch this, guys. Dandelion likes it too. Look at that. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's heaven. Dandy, you like it? Yeah. Look at that, you guys. That's it. I'm ready for date night. So perfect. Ready to go. This is the final look. All Gressa makeup, all amazing for your skin. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will list all the products that I use in the caption with all the colors that I specifically used again. But there's loads of colors. The foundation, concealer, everything. They have such a great choice of shades. So I will see you guys later.